Want to have a snapshot of your LinkedIn for 2024? This is another tool and application that you can try. I haven't tried it. I am going to try it as we move this thing together. Mm, So LinkedIn profile URL. So let me put my LinkedIn profile URL. I've already taught you how to find the LinkedIn profile URL, and they will also ask me for address. And let me give my address. Get your free wrap up. So, oh, my cat is working on it. Let's try this. I'm quite eager because the earlier version that I showed you, in the earlier version, they had just one part of this, which is a snapshot with one image. But I saw somebody sharing, say, 3 4 pager PDF, a small, say, carousel using this, and it's having a midlife crisis. So, Cleve AI. Let's see what. In the meantime, see, let's explore what Cleve AI is, and we can. So in future, we can also do one particular video on using how we can use Cleve AI. So Cleve AI promises turn your quick notes to optimize posts to grow your personal brand and get yours free. So these are different options as seen on Cleve in 2 minutes. Get from idea to post. What is interesting as I was watching the video, what I found out that if you post the 2 3 lines, it will ping you with 2 3 questions that you answer, and this helps you to create a post. It's a much better version prompt engineering than ChatGPT. Maybe they have used ChatGPT tokens, but they exactly know, like, redo the hook, rewrite, simplify language, continue writing, more friendly, more formal. They are giving you more intelligence. So those prompts is what will help you. And this is why they are saying that we are the best tool, a co-pilot for personal brand, whether it's LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, X and more. So wherever you're present, you can use it. Let me just check. Okay. Our wrap up. So our wrap up is ready. Let's scroll up. So made with AI. 2024 content snapshot. So Jan, Feb, March, April, May, August, December. Now what is so earlier it was more at the start of the year, then less, then again it increased. Post is 403, reactions 13.7K, comments 14,000, more than 14,000. That's pretty good. I posted 403 times in a year. So 365 days from 365, I posted almost 403 times. That's pretty huge. And people love your writing. Thanks. Your top posts. So when I joined Multiplier as Vice President Revenue, this was the most, this is the top post. And then awarded in healthcare, that's a top post. Your LinkedIn buddies, Nikhil Borole, Sakshi, and then Damodar, Ashish Jain, AI Dynamics. These are the ones who comment a lot. Then 24 content person is the activator. Your post radiate excitement, motivation, inspiring others to embrace new opportunities. Other creators like you, Simon Sinek, Mel Robbins, Stephen, oh my God, it made me happy. It is relating me to big creators. You have made a lot of memories this year. Is a recap. So Jan discuss AI role in pharma marketing. Feb is this, exploring patient. This is June, July. Okay. And then your top lessons for 2024, embrace the opportunities with excitement and gratitude. This is very fantastic. Yeah. A letter for you, dear Moses, as the year comes close. I want to make this one to celebrate the incredible journey, your achievements with Multiplier and award you received for your groundbreaking work in AI and pharma marketing, highlight your dedication and vision. It's heartwarming to see how you balance your professional. I'm in awe of your excitement to bridging gaps in healthcare. So for your wife, Mary, thanks a lot for being a mentor and friend. I admire your resilience and genuine care. Oh, superb, man. This is lovely. Your 2024 considers stats. You have done a great aim higher for 2025. Longest weekly stats. I think it is generating still. So number of posts by month. This is post by one. Average engagement by month. Your 2024 post timings 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock by hour. Then post days. These are the days I post. And then seems like you have an incredible year. Hope you enjoyed this recap. Get yours. So let's download this. Want to get. This definitely gives. I am going to share this. This is definitely amazing. Uh, and I'm going to share it for tomorrow's post. 31st post will be this final post. Fantastic. I hope I'll share you the link. Please, please do try it. You will really love this. Bye for today. Thanks for joining in.